Good morning everyone. I'm Patanshah. Today's topic about the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system, it is the organ system that distributed the blood to all the parts of the body. There are some major functions of the cardiovascular system, such as the transportations, using the blood as the transport the vehicle. This system, it is the carried the oxygen, nutrients, cell waste, hormones and the other substance vital for all the body homeostasis to and from the cells. The force to move the blood around the blood, it is provided by the pumping the hearts and the blood pressures. The hertz, the human hertz, it is the approximately that size of the first and the weight less than a pound. It is the enclosed within the inferior mediastinum and the middle cavity of the thorax and the flanks of it is the each sides of the lungs. It is the pointed apex, it is the directed toward the left hip and the rest at the about the 15 intervertebral space. The broad space except of the base, it is pointed to the upward. The hertz, it is the pointed apex, it is the directed towards the left hip and the rest about the fifth internal space. The board accepts or the base points toward the right shoulder and the breath the second rib. In the hearts, it is the enclosed by the double all sacs called as the pericardium. The superficial loosely fitted part, it is called as the fibrous pericardium. In this, the hearts, they are the deep to the fibrous pericardiums and the ciliary two layers serous pericardium. The peritoneal layers lines to the interiors of all the fibrous pericardium. In the hearts, they are the peritoneal layers attached to the large interior livings. The hearts and them the mix, it is the U-turn and the continuum inferiorly over the heart surface as the vesicle layer to the pericardium. The inflammations of the pericarditis, often the results is a decrease in the serous fluid. The causes of the pericardial layer to the stick, forming the painful adhesion that the inferior with the heart movements. In the heart's oils are the composed the three layers. First layers, it is the outer epicardium. Second, it is the myocardium, and third, it is the endocardium. In the hearts, the myocardium consists of the thick bundles of the cardiac muscles squeezed into the right lies the ergoneus. This is the layer of the hearts that actually the contracts. The reinforced by the dense fibrous connective tissues like the heart skeleton. In the hearts, the endocardium, it is a thin sheets of the endothelium in the line of the heart's camps. The continues with the lining of the blood vessels, leaving and the entering of the heart. The in the hearts has the four hollow chambers, two arteria receiving the chambers and the two ventricles, it is the filling the chambers. In the hearts, bloods flow into the arteria under the low pressures from the venous and the continues in the ventricles. In the hearts, myocardium consists of the thick bundles of the cardiac muscles squeezed into the right legs. This is the layer of the hearts that actually the contracts, reinforced by the dense fibrous connective tissues, heart skeleton. The hearts, the Endocardium, it is the thin gelatinous sheath and the endothelium that lines of the heart chambers. Thank you.